Let's see here the question, which of the following aspects are defining characters of living organisms? So intrinsic growth, so we'll check these options. Intrinsic growth, cellular organization, consciousness. Extrinsic growth, not the extrinsic growth. Extrinsic growth cannot be the defining characteristic feature. Remaining two, cellular organization and metabolism. Intrinsic growth, reproduction is not the defining characteristic feature, so we can eliminate the 2 and 3. And extrinsic factor is not, reproduction is not, so we can eliminate the 4th. And finally, the correct answer is intrinsic growth, cellular organization and consciousness. Thank you. A taxon. So a taxonomic group of any ranking, you can call it as taxon. Read the following statements. Key is an analytical method of identification of organisms based on similarities and dissimilarities. Yeah, the statement is right. Each statement in a key we call it as lead, not couplet. Two set of the statements we call it as a couplet, but each statement we call it as lead. So only A is correct. Yeah. So identify the correct combination of characters regarding the bacteria and spore in the given diagram. So let's check it out. This is bacilli and it forms the endospore during unfavorable conditions. Very good. This is a rod-shaped bacteria. You can see this is the rod-shaped bacteria and endospore. And let's match it. So let's see. Raphanus, which is organ. Rat, organ system. Rhizopus, loose tissue, which is fungi. Rhodospirillum, which is anaerobic, nitrogen fixing bacteria. So which one is matching for this? A is yes. Yes, A is yes. You can consider this both till here. And B is P. Yeah, B is P. So finally this is the one. But you have to cross check the remaining one also. Rhizopus is loose tissue. And Rhodospirillum is cellular, right? Very good. So in referring to the scientific name of organism, in writing such as a newspaper, textbook or lab report, which of these rules should be followed? Underline or italize the genus name? No, not only the genus name. Underline and italize the species name? No. First letter of species should be uppercase. Yes. First letter of the genus should be in uppercase. So C is wrong. C is not. No, this is not. First letter of the genus should be uppercase. This is right. So, okay, they are considering individually. So, A, B, D. This is the right answer. Systematic differs from taxonomy in considering how it will differ. Phylogeny. So, taxonomy is not phylogeny. Systematics is based on phylogeny. What is incorrect about Nostoc and Anabina? Nostoc and Anabina are entofixation. This is right. Prokaryotic, right. Chemosynthetic autotrophs, no, it's wrong. So this is the right answer. This is the incorrect one. Cyanobacteria is also called blue-green algae. Yes, right. So the correct answer, the incorrect one about Nostoc and Anabina is those are chemosynthetic autotrophs. Coming to the next thing. The taxonomic groups or categories are, they are distinct biological entities and not merely morphological aggregates. Yes, right. Distinct biological entities but not morphological aggregates. Morphological aggregates but not distinct biological entities. Neither morphological nor biological. So the right statement is they are distinct biological entities, not merely morphological aggregates. So this is the right answer. Name of which taxonomical categories are mentioned on the label tagged to the plants maintained in the Botanical garden, what are those? You will be having species, genus, and family. These are the three things. So read the following statements. You have to find out the correct one. Higher the taxon, more are the characteristics that the members within the taxon share. No, this is not wrong. This is wrong. Lower the category, greater the difficulty of determining the relationship of other taxa. No, this both are wrong. So both the statements are incorrect. Higher the taxa, the common characters will be very less. Lower the category, it is very easy to complete into one group. Manuals maintain information for habitat and distribution of useful identification of names of species found in an area. Not about the plants or not about the animals. This is the manual. Solanum, Petunia, Datura are placed in higher category. All the three will comes under. P is genus. Based on reproductive characters. So this one 3. Which among the following is kept in kingdom P? Kingdom Plantae in both Linnaeus and Whittaker. Spirogyra. Because according to Whittaker, he changed Chlorella and Chlamydomonas to Protista. Saccharomyces, it was there in plant kingdom, but in Whittaker he changed it to kingdom fungi. Spirogyra. Which taxonomic category is not mentioned in herbarium sheet? Order. The two kingdom classification used for long time was found to be inadequate. The two kingdom classification did not distinguish between eukaryote, prokaryote, unicellular, multicellular, green algae and fungi. Yes, right? So both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Which of the following and read the following and identify the correct statements. Though the bacterial structure is very simple, they are complex in behavior. Right? Archaebacteria differs from other bacteria in having different cell wall structures, right? Heterocysts are specialized cells that can fix atmospheric nitrogen, right? Mycoplasmas lack cell wall, right? So absolutely the correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Musca domestica. So which is housefly. So you have to find out the incorrect thing. So the class is Insecta, not order. Order is Diptera. So the ulta palta it is. So the incorrect one is this one, which is essential and prime source of taxonomic studies. Collection of actual specimens. Options related to cyanobacteria are. So unicellular, colonial, filamentous, gelatinous sheet, blooms in they will form blooms in non-polluted water. So the correct answer is 5. The term not applicable to truly living organisms is. Self-replicating is applicable, self-regulating is applicable, evolving is applicable, inert system is not applicable. So this is the right answer. So coming to the next thing, which one is incorrect? Herbarium. Storehouse consists of systematically arranged living or dead plant specimens. This one is incorrect. Those are all dead, not living. In most of the members of largest phylum, the body consists of head, thorax, abdomen. Right, they are talking about arthropoda. So if you can see here, how many in this the notochord is persistent throughout their life. Trigon, Doliolum, Carcharodon, Amphioxus. One, two, three, four. Right. So you have to choose the mismatch. Pennatula, sea pen, nidoblast with stinging capsules. Right. Pink tada, rasping organ for. So this is the mismatch. Rasping organ is for eating, not for breeding. We'll see the remaining. Petromyzon, 6 to 15 pairs of gill cyclostomes, right? Pavo, fully ossified endoskeleton, right? Find the odd one out with respect to external skeleton, external fertilization. Locusta, in which the fertilization is internal, which is insect. So if you see these pictures, you have to find the picture shows four animals. Select the correct answers with respect to common characters of two of this. No, they don't have external ear opening for A and B. Then next one, A and D are with scales. No. Yes. No. So the correct answer is A and D are with scales. Yes. This and this. So identify this. What is the name? Hippocampus osteoictus. Fishes that possess air bladder are the characterized by absence of operculum. Next, we have to match it. Proboscis gland melanoglossus, jointed leg, Bombyx, water vascular system Antedon, Parapodia neris. So for A it is 2. Yeah, you can consider this 2. And for B it is 4. Yeah, this one. For C it is 3. Right? Yeah, the correct answer is this. Choose the feature which is not found in earliest coelomate animals. External calcareous shell. Find out the common feature of magger and lamprey. For both, magger is catfish and lamprey. They don't have scales on the body. And next, study the following. Fertilization is external, both extracellular and intracellular digestion. Reproduction will take place only by asexual means. Which of radial symmetry? Which of the above is related to sea walnuts? All except D. Which of the following is seen in echinoderms? Complete digestive system. Choose the incorrect statement about mixine. So the correct answer is Cranium and vertebral column are formed of cartilage, and they don't have vertebral column. Torpedoise. This is electric ray, not stingray. So it is cold-blooded animal, fish. Which of the following with respect to Bangarus? Which is a snake. Phylum is not Reptilia. Class is Reptilia. So this is wrong. So if you want the incorrect answers, B is obviously incorrect. So A and B only. Reptiles have 3-chambered heart except crocodile. Which of the following set of animals are bisexual and triploplast? So the correct answer is fasciola and hyrudinaria. Complete analogy of the following options. Aedes arthropoda, Astrias Sepia mollusca. Feature is not applicable to the members of phylum Hemichordata. Circulation is open type, it's not closed type. Belanoglossus, development is indirect. This is incorrect. Spongilla, primitive multicellular, right? Doliolum, worm-like body, no, this is Doliolum is not worm-like. Doliolum is Urochordata. Obelia, with anus on hypostome. No. The correct answer is Spongilla, primitive multicellular. Study the following and select the correct statements. Hemichordates do not exhibit segmentation, that's right. In aves and forelimbs are modified into limbs, right? In reptiles, tympanium is representing the ear, right? In Asclepius, the distinctive feature is flattened body, no. ABC. Ancyclostoma shows. Muscular pharynx. Hemichordata was earlier known as subphylum under the phylum Chordata, right? Hemichordata was advanced structure in the trunk region called stomochord. So S1 is true and statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Which one of the following is incorrect? This one.